Namaste to all distinguished guests on the dais. Param Pujaniya Acharya Mithilesh Nandini Sharan Swamiji, Param Pujaniya Sar Singh Jalak Shri Mohan Rao Bhagwat Ji, Honorable Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman Ji, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Ji, Shri Kishan Reddy Ji, और हमारे प्रज्ञा प्रवाह के नेशनल कन्वीनर नंद कुमार जी. Sorry for my throat. First of all, we must not forget to thank our most honorable guests we had in the last 4 days, Honorable President of Bharat, Srimati Draupadi Murmu ji, Honorable Vice President of India, former Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Governors of Telangana, Shri Vishnudev Verma ji of Gujarat, Shri Ajar Devrat ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Srimati Diya Kumari ji, Honorable Ministers from Telangana State, Srimati Sitaka Garu, Shri Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu, and Honorable Minister for Tourism and Culture, Shri Dharmendra Lodhi ji, who is here today. Also, we must express our gratitude to members of Reception Committee, all the delegates, participants, speakers, special invitees, and all members who have come here. Our special thanks to members of the media. Sabko Sadar Pranam. On behalf of Organizing Committee of Lok Manthan Bhagyanagar 2024, it's my privilege to thank this august audience. First, let me thank our Central Committee of Lok Manthan for giving us this opportunity to host this program here. We thank all the members of Telangana Vaicharik Samuh for strengthening our arms. Let me thank all the distinguished speakers for their inspiring speeches, giving us strong messages on how to take this forward. Let me also not forget to thank the state administration, including Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy ji, Ministers Shri D. Sripad Rao ji, Ministers Jupalli Krishna Rao Garu. All of them, they gave tremendous support along with the state administration, the Chief Secretary, the DGP, all the police and traffic, the collectors. They've given us extraordinary support to conduct this event hassle-free. Our sincere apologies to the traffic police for causing this inconvenience. Particularly, we need to thank Shri T. Kishan Rao Garu, who's been tremendous in his support to make this happen here, along with the staff of Shilpa Ram and Shilpa Kala Vedika. We can't forget the sponsors and donors who made this event possible, especially the CMD of NMDC, Shri Amitav Mukherjee ji. We must also thank all the exhibitors here, including the state governments of Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tripura. Let me thank the speakers and the session in charges for giving us wonderful sessions over the last few days. I must mention the delegates and especially the artists who have come across from all across India and out of the country also. Despite our best efforts, there have been some inconveniences caused. I take personal responsibility for this, and I thank all the support staff of Shilpa Ram, Shilpa Kala Vedika. And of course, I must mention the special support we have received from our Vaicharik Samuh and the leaders and members of these organizations, of this organizing committee, and hundreds and maybe even more volunteers who worked tirelessly across the last 4 days. And without which the scale that we have seen here could not be possible. I think, including the distinguished guests, over the last few sessions, we've understood that the message that we must take forward is Lok is hum sab lok hai, hum sab ek hai, hum sab Bharatiya hai. My humble apologies if I missed anybody. Again, my humble request to everybody for making these sessions wonderful. Sadar Pranam to everybody.